What's up, everybody? Look who I have next to me. That is Princess Pur. And look at her. What's up, baby? This cat is extremely spoiled. If I stop petting her, she's going to look for attention. See, I stopped petting her. Yeah, baby. This cat has a habit of when I fall asleep, she'll fall asleep on my stomach. She'll just climb up and fall asleep on my stomach. The story behind this particular cat, I have 4 cats. One of them decided to be a street cat. And once they become a street cat, they're no longer allowed to live in the house, especially if it's a female. But this particular cat, and back in 2012, we came back from Zoo Miami, and I went to throw out the garbage in the apartment, and lo and behold, there was a cute little kitten next to the dumpster. Very small, meowing to death, very hungry. So I saw the little kitten and I picked her up, brought her home, brought some cat food and fed her. That was May of 2012. And lo and behold, 4 years later, here she is, still with me. Very spoiled. And can't believe it's been 4 years I had her. That's Princess Pur. Very spoiled, relaxing right now. But that's the story about Princess Pur. 4 years in May 2012, I got this kitten. He's always going to be my little kitten. Alrighty, folks. Story of one of my cats, Princess Pur, who's basically just loves to pass out next to me. Till next time, later.